welcome to Embracing Libra's Harmonious Balance Meditation. As the sun moves into the sign of Libra, this meditation invites you to cultivate the qualities of balance, harmony, and connection associated with this beautiful sign. By engaging in this meditation throughout the Libra season, you will nurture your sense of peace, diplomacy, and appreciation for beauty and relationships. Allow yourself to find balance within and around you as you embrace the essence of Libra. Find a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down. Allow your body to relax and settle into a space that feels good for you. Close your eyes gently and take a deep, cleansing breath in, filling your lungs completely. Exhale slowly, releasing any tension or heaviness. Continue to breathe deeply and rhythmically. As you breathe, visualize a soft, pink light surrounding you. This light represents the energy of Libra, gentle, loving, and inviting. Feel its calming presence enveloping you, bringing a sense of tranquility and serenity. Libra is a sign of harmony and balance. Imagine yourself standing at the center of a beautiful scale, perfectly balanced. With each breath, feel yourself aligning with this equilibrium, letting go of any extremes or conflicts within you. Embrace the idea that balance brings peace. In this moment, consider the relationships in your life. Visualize the people who bring you joy, support, and love. As you inhale, fill your heart with gratitude for these connections. As you exhale, send out waves of appreciation and love to those individuals, strengthening your bonds and creating harmony. Libra is also associated with beauty and aesthetics. Picture yourself surrounded by beautiful objects, nature, or art. Allow the appreciation for beauty to fill your senses, see the colors, hear the sounds, and feel the textures. Let this appreciation inspire you to cultivate beauty in your surroundings and within yourself. As a sign of diplomacy and fairness, Libra encourages us to listen and understand others. Visualize yourself in a conversation, actively listening and empathizing. Feel the warmth of compassion flowing through you, creating an atmosphere of understanding and collaboration. Now, take a moment to set an intention for this Libra season. What qualities of balance, harmony, and connection do you wish to cultivate? Visualize yourself embodying these qualities in your daily life, promoting peace and understanding in all your interactions. Take a deep breath in, feeling the pink light of Libra filling you completely. As you exhale, release any remaining tension or imbalance. Trust in your ability to embrace these harmonious energies. Gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, open your eyes. We ask the universe to help us embody the beautiful energies of Libra. May we remain balanced, harmonious, and appreciative of beauty and connection. Allow ourselves to fully embrace these energies in our lives. Thank you for joining this meditation. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe to our channel for more meditations like this. We'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and let us know what meditations you'd like us to create next. Namaste.